4-8 achievements pop up.
Guardia.
You're going to only see a 7.
You mean 8? 6? I'm very
No one's cleared this before, right? Right, guys?
Yeah, totally.
Sorry guys, I'm actually a
Yeah.
Penta legend.
Yeah. Wait, is it 5? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Yes, on top. I forgot.
I can't wait for the next one, so it's a sex legend.
Oh, I want that.
Let's go.
When I clear T, I'll finish all the ultimates that are in the game when I started playing.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, we need to, when they implement the cloud servers, we need to clear this shit again.
On the cloud account?
Yeah, I'm a cloud legend.
Cloud again.
That shit's gonna get deleted and it's gonna be so funny.
I really want to do DSR after this. Oh,
DSR, I think, is a different experience. It's
very hard. It's just painful. I really want to do DSR.
That's what I've heard. Well, not as painful as top. Like, it's more fun than top, apparently.
Sounds really fun.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't heard good things about the current ultimates.
I haven't seen anything of the fight.
I also have not seen it either. I just heard people bitching, complaining.
Yeah,
But that's
maybe
like
I'll-
everyone does
One
that.
raiders that
It's-
I've heard from.
It's
So.
hard. That's why.
It's
that's
hard.
Why people,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe it's just because
And I like it hard. What?
it's just the first people that clear it think that it was hard. The same people that said T is hard.
That's true.
He's not really that hard, I'm gonna be honest.
No, it's been kind of easy.
Fun, though.
Again, I don't think it's easy. It's just we're good now.
Bro, wormhole.
Arguable.
It's the worst.
I mean,
mechanic
wormhole
in
is
the
like the
game.
hardest mechanic.
Bro, it's like the movement. Even the the making a tree mechanic is harder than this.
That's true.
Make a tree mechanic.
Yeah, get Arch as a partner for tree and she wants to run. That's one big tree.
Oh, Arsha.
She never wanted to make it. It does that damage. It's more healing. I don't care.
1,000 damage. She's gonna AoE heal anyways, like... Come on. at least
I
get
was the
tree.
healer and I wanted trees.
Trees.
That's so funny to do the tree, man.
The only joy I felt in
Chills.
P8.
Venomous mass.
Venomous mass.
I have run for. Oh, I didn't use one for.
I'm heading to Kaede.
Alright.
I'm not losing anything.
Alright.
What? Oh, I was watching that and didn't reply
Is, who's Cloud Chase Water?
Ooh! Okay, right.
I don't like that noise when you say he's water. Oh, what happened? Why is it over there?
It's not that bad, bro.
What am I? Oh,
Yeah,
Me, I got.
Sign your partner, sign your partner, sign your partner.
Oh, come here, Eric.
I have
I don't like those noises.
We're good.
DJ's a bit high.
Yeah. Oh, this is so easy.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Wait, we're so ahead? We are like unbelievably
Don't kill
ridiculous.
the other guy. Don't kill the other guy. No!
Kill his ass.
You were two
for-
GCDs
heads
ahead.
up for those that weren't here when we were talking about it. Only pot during Perfect Alexander.
Yeah.
Where am I?
We're missing Thunder. Nice.
There's a thunder.
Okay, get my tokens. Picking.
Oh, you can say it now. You have heard.
Am I gonna get a window, hypercharge window off? We're like 2 GCs ahead. This is weird.
We all just crit.
Ooh, my food's about run out.
Oh.
I think both Melis hit Cruise Chaser at some point because we had to go
Okay.
south.
It was like a 10% difference. Our melees do damage, but I don't think you do 10% in a GCD.
Plus that plus a lot of crits.
We need to run.
I need to fucking run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking run!
Why do you go around, Jason?
Yeah, just go.
Because I might, what do you call it? It might clip, right? The,
Well, if you're moving you're through it, you're gonna get hit anyways.
yeah.
You don't have to go that wide.
Okay.
You'll have plenty of time. Do not
Yeah,
worry.
And I think the people that bait. Oh wait, no.
The baiter should be pretty damn close.
We're masturbators.
Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Can I
brother.
go mid?
I'll rely on you guys to be masturbators.
Yep. Always count on the homie.
Why is it always at C? I don't know. I think
It
it's
is guaranteed
it's
C.
actually
It is
bugged.
guaranteed.
It's actually bugged.
It's never been random.
Yeah, no,
We
I
just assumed it
not
was
fun.
random.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, not me. Whew. Now me.
Watch out!
Okay.
Watch out the laser and
Oh, goodbye.
We're missing a DPS.
Missing a melee.
We'll be fine.
we're missing a DPS from the.
Perfect. We're fine. We're
No,
fine.
no, we're fine, we're fine.
No? Oh.
I get benediction, Dave.
Oh fuck.
We
Mega
have two extra
holy.
bodies for that.
Need mitts on this, need mitts. Okay.
For a second.
I keep using my carousel for the other thing. Like, fuck. I need to stop.
I'm gonna just. Just for now.
Someone's gonna heal us.
Yeah. It's for the best. Should be able to take this one fine.
What is the other one?
This is 4.
Oh, I think we're really ahead. Actually.
I forgot the because it's a vibe again. Oh well, here we go. Wee. Oh god. It's not my Q3's faster. It's crazy.
Oh, my shadow. Kill it.
I think there's 1, 2, 3, right?
Look at this. Look at this. Oh no. Oh, he was the other one.
This fucking samurai meditating.
I'm pretty sure you can board Kanki if you just.
Hit it.
Yeah.
Just fucking hit it.
Look at this.
He
I don't
actually
know
hates Kenki.
I don't know when you.
Go check.
I'm just doing this entire time.
But you get the crystal thingies, no? The 3 The things you consume.
He's taking mana on the boss.
I'm the prognosis.
Just do the 1-2 combo. You get Kenki and spam taking mana. You get your show house stacks with Naya and Kenki.
Going to the bathroom, be right back.
Say that during time stop.
That's a
guys.
really quick washing break.
You just hear the fucking crashing as the dude runs out of the room.
No, it's just like everyone's silent, and then you just hear like a dripping sound for the guys like in the bottle with the mic still on.
Does the boss appear instantly, by the way?
It appears, but you can't target it right away.
Like 1 minute to second.
Remember the pot.
Yeah.
Pot. Where am I? Oh, hello.
When
The one that was extra late because I got to whip the pot.
Wait,
Give me a moment. Yes.
motion. And then stillness right after.
I was just casting.
Stillness.
On target the boss. On target the boss.
Stay still. Alright. Spread.
oh shit,
I almost.
Attacks after.
Stacks.
I think I'm gonna do this.
Weak projection alpha.
Then I'm gonna finish
Look at your clone. Motion first. Motion is southwest. Is it? Oh, it is. Never say. It's southwest. Motion.
Double motion.
Double motion. Motion. Keep moving. Nice. So dumb. Alright, Eric with me.
2-minute coming up in 30 seconds. Or 20 seconds actually.
My road is in 17.
I'm in 7.
All cooldowns. And then Vogue. Thank you.
Mine is in 2.
Once, brother.
Hey, projection data.
Look for 2.
I am light beacon.
Stack.
Is it spreads? And safe spot is 4. Remember, spreads and then 4. You're fine, you have time to adjust. Spread. And then to 4. Sprint.
Go.
Sprint. 4. 4.
4.
Fuck over here.
Nice. Alright, tank busters. You are going to invuln.
No, I mean.
This right away?
I don't know.
There you go.
For trines, remember to stack
Shove.
right in the middle.
Right there. Put it
Hey,
right
On 3.
on 3.
On 3.
It is going to be B to
B to
B to
three.
3. B to 3.
B to 3.
Retry and take.
3. Alright, Tank Buster. I am going to
2 minute
end all
coming up.
this.
Whole 2 minute actually. Whole 2
I
minute.
already did it.
No.
I don't know why I
Honestly,
haven't.
just use your 2 minute and we can pot afterwards. Just pot nothing.
Okay.
Pot.
Back to 3.
The middle.
3
Three to middle, three to
3 to
middle.
middle. 3 to mid. 3 to mid.
The middle.
Mid.
Derek got good.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
I got
Mids.
power check.
What was that?
I'm dead.
Got you.
I'll check. Use LB
I
with
got
Derek.
it, Jason.
Yeah, I will be. I will
Thank you.
be.
Tank. Oh, wait, what is this?
Cycle chain.
Northeast.
Oh, it's the thing.
The
So long, gamers. Remember,
Oh fuck, I'm over here. Nah,
I don't have mana. I don't have mana.
Yeah,
We're gonna take
weird.
second.
I can take this one. Oh, it's not over here.
Oh yeah, yeah, wait, yeah.
It goes around in a circle.
Yeah, you know, Dave, you go.
Congrats, boy.
Congrats, GG!
No way. I was not expecting that. What the?
G fucking G,
man.
motherfucker. Holy shit.
Why do we die?
This is weird. I feel nothing.
I think that's called depression.
I was. What the hell?
We cleared
data
did.
after the second time we saw it.
Yeah.
Let's take a photo.
Yep. Photo, photo.
I miss fucking not feeling my limbs after clearing.